Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set alarm in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to the home page of your phone and click on clock symbol here. And here, two alarms are already available. If you want to use them, yes, you can just turn on the button against them. Otherwise, if you want to add your own alarm, just click on this plus symbol and you can set your own alarm. Okay, here I would like to set 5:55 a.m. as alarm timing. Here you can set timing. Okay, here you can change am or pm. Okay, I would like to set 5:55 a.m. okay, then here you can select the days. If you select all days, all 7 days will have alarm. Okay, suppose if you want to set only for particular date, you can unselect some days and you have to keep some days selected. Okay, if you want to set alarm for future date, click here and select the date. Here I would like to select April 1 and click on done. In alarm name, you can assign any name for alarm. For example, here I just type Mickey birthday. So you can understand that what purpose you are going to set your alarm from this note. Okay, so for Mickey birthday I set, click on save and alarm is saved. So in this way you can easily set alarm in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.